Hi guys, hope you're well. Welcome back to workshop 2 and my small barn build. Not won the lottery. These are not brand new Festools. They are the boxes in which my Festool in the small loft workshop came in, and I travelled here last weekend along with some of my wife's items for safekeeping. Right, do you want to come in and have a look? Now, it's slightly dark in here at the moment, but if you recall from the episodes I made during the Christmas break, I converted this side of the barn into the workshop, and this side will eventually be the garden store side. I've only been here a day or so yet, so I've not time to manage to clear everything out. The lawnmower's still under its covers and the back wall is still screwed up just for security. But over the next few days, the plan is to steal a little bit of space in here for in there by moving this wall this way, and then complete these ladder racks which we started as an experiment. So complete that one and then build a wall about here, form a doorway between the two compartments, and also then once this wall's in its final place, on this side to create some storage for the gardener in my life, and also some of the bits and pieces that are still stored in the house garage, paint pots and things like that that don't need to be in there and can be in here. So some stock racking up here. So my first thing to do is to clear this bench out, move all this, some rubbish, a few tools, take this bench down, leave this wall in situ, build the wall, complete this side, and then demolish this side and move everything this way. I've already started the shopping list for the materials that I need to complete this works, but for now let's have a clear out, clear this bench, take the bench off the wall, and then we're ready once the materials arrive to start the work. Okay, so now I've cleared the bench top, I just need to remove my work zone router table that I inserted into this bench top a few years ago. Okay, so I've just got one piece of the 63x75 left, which is from the roof of the terrace that we built last year. This is the last piece, so but we can make use of this just to support those ladder racks. Just a little job I can be getting on with until I go shopping at the end of the week. So now I've got half, I can go from here to there to support this ladder, then I can take this support off and drop the ladder to its final height and do the same at the other side. At the moment I'm not too worried about this. This will be replaced when I find the final placement of this wall. It'll run straight across and then I can just take that out to release the ladder. Just a case of holding that on while I get a fixing and level it. See if a clamp will work. Just hold that there for a minute. It's a bit hot today. Feels like we've shot through spring and gone into summer in 2 days. Put that back a few inches then. Just have to cut the corner of that light support out. A bit more, touch more. It might just hook around the back of that laminate floor that's supporting that light. Oh, at least it didn't make me on the head. I know what I can do, it'll make it easier. When I put the roof on the barn years ago, I bought these and I over-ordered by about 3 times the amount I needed. Quite expensive fixing, but since I've got them, I might as well use them to put the wall together with. That helps. Saves my arms trying to hold that up. I need to get rid of that end of that laminate floor because it's in the way. Always a bit awkward, these types of things. That'll do it. That'll do it. Right, just get a screw in at that. The ear defenders aren't working in here, really. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's get the ear defenders. Need to work on my upper body strength. Bit of screw there, do it work for me? Just take this off, it's just in the way. Talk about struggling. Oh, I've put it no way around now. Wow. Well, I hope everything else isn't a struggle like this. Can't believe how hard I had to work. Okay, so that's that little job done for this evening. I need to go and buy some wood now so I can crack on with the wall. See you soon.